guys, how are y'all doing? Hope y'all are doing fine. Today we are going to be learning some important things about elements, compounds, and mixtures. So these things are very important for understanding elements, compounds, and mixtures. Without these things, I mean, if you're in 6th grade, you don't have to learn these. If you're in 6th grade, then you can just skip this video. But if you're in 7th grade, watch this video. So, today we are understanding valency, electronic configuration, atomic number, electron, atom, atomic nucleus, electronic orbit, and electron shell. And the atomic nucleus also. Means we're just gonna learn everything about atom and electron that you need to know. Note that these things will be important till 10th grade. Actually, not 10th grade, these will be important even after 10th grade. So, if you're in 7th grade or 12th grade, if you're in 7th grade to 12th grade, watch this video. But if you're in 6th grade, don't watch this video. Yeah. So, let's start learning. Okay. First, we're gonna learn atomic number. Atomic number means just number of atoms. So easy. For example, this atom has this atom has 1, 2, 3 electrons. So the atomic number of this electron is 3. Now, now, so the atomic number of this atom is 3. Atomic number just means the number of electrons in this atom. Okay? Great. And okay. Now we're gonna learn electron orbit. Electron orbit means the path that the electron is going on. For example, this electron let's name this electron N. Let's name this electron N. Let's name this electron Y. Let's name this electron Y, and let's name this electron X. Now this N electron is going on this orbit only. The electronic orbit means the path which the electron walks on. The electron is only allowed to walk on this orbit, on this path. The electron is only allowed to walk on this path. If it walks on any other path, for example here, then it will go to jail. That's an easy way to remember what electronic orbit is, okay? That's an easy way to remember what electronic orbit is. The orbit, the path which electrons are allowed to go on. If electrons are not in this orbit and in some other orbit, and in some other path, then they will go to jail. That is an easy way to remember what electronic orbit is. This is Y electron. Wait, let me just select the whole thing. Can I? Yup, I can. So, okay, and let me just select the whole thing. Perfect. Now, X and Y electrons are moving on their orbit. Yeah? So, X and Y electrons are only allowed to move on their orbit. If they move on any other orbit, then they are gonna go to jail. I mean, they're not gonna go to jail. I'm just saying that so you can easily remember what electronic orbit is. And electronic shell. Stop laughing. The electrons aren't actually gonna go to jail. I know you're laughing. Don't lie. Don't lie. Okay, anyways, the electronic shell is just the space between electron orbits. For example, the space between these electron orbits is this. The space between these back. The space between these electron orbits are this much, so this much intermolecular space will be there. the space between the space between this atomic nucleus and this electronic orbit is this much, so the electronic space is this much, and all. I hope you understood. Serious, okay. That is electron shell. The space between electron orbits is known as electron shell. I hope you understood. Now valency. Wait. So let us so electron configuration. Electron configuration is the number of electrons in each orbit. Oh my god, okay, yeah. So we represent atomic number by just a number like 3, but electronic configuration, the number of electron in all of the electron orbits. We write it like this. Suppose the number of electrons in the first electron orbit is 2. So 2 here. The number of electrons in this electron orbit is 1. So we will add a dot here and then write 1. But if there's one more electron orbit and there's 2 electrons in that extra electron orbit, then we will write 2 because there are 2 electrons in that extra electron orbit. But if there's another electron orbit and there's one more electron on that electron orbit, then this. I hope you understood, because this will be very important to understand the other things. Okay, great. Valency. Okay. Before learning valency, we need to learn what stable state is. And before learning stable state, we need to know the electronic configuration, which we already learned, and we learned the electronic configuration formula also. So now we can understand what stable state is. Stable state means the atom has to have this. The atom either has the atom electronic configuration has to be 2, 2, 8, 2, 8, 8, 2, 8, 8, 8, 2, 8, 8, 8, 8, 2, 8, 8, 8, 8, and so on. That is stable state. All atoms are suffering for this state. Atoms would give anything for this state. All atoms are dying for this state. Like, see, even this atom is suffering for this state. One like will help this atom receive stable state. So please like for this atom to receive stable state. Please. Thanks. Now that we learned what stable state is, we need to know the number of electrons for stable state. For example, this atom has 3 electrons. Yes? So this atom has 3 electrons. Oh my god, this is harder than I thought. So valency is the number of electron needed to be lose or needed to be gained for this thing. For example, this atom has 3 electrons. To be in stable state, it needs to lose 1 electron. So it will give its electron N to some other atom, and then it will receive stable state. Yay! But for example, oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you the valency of this atom. So the valency of this atom is -1, I think. I'll check it with. Oh yeah, guys. The valency should be +1, not -1. So the valency of this electron is +1 because it needs to lose 1 electron. That's why the That's why the valency will be +1. The valency is so confusing for me. Oh my god. What if? So the electronic configuration of this atom is 2, 8, 7. Means it just needs one more electron to be in electronic state. In that case, the valency will not be +1, it will be -1 because ChatGPT faked. Yeah, so the valency of Yeah, so I checked with ChatGPT and the valency of this should be plus negative minus one, not plus one, because plus one valency is used when the atom needs to lose electron, and minus one valency is used when the atom needs one electron. Okay, y'all? By the way, if y'all wondering, this electron is chlorine and this electron is lithium. I mean, this atom is lithium and this atom is chlorine. Bye.